Feel the love, feel the passion, feel the fire, feel the joy in this piece. Check out today's creation video. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, this is your girl Camille. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you guys are here with me. Today I'm working on a 20 by 20 inch canvas, and I've already gone ahead and put that black base on, and that is the black base Artist Loft soft body paint. And you know guys, I'm working with some really bright colors today. You know, gold and red, these are just my two colors that I'm using. Just a combination of gold, just regular gold, some champagne gold, 2 shades of red, and of course I'm just adding my black to blow out these colors. Amazing guys. I really do hope that you're really enjoying the series that I'm doing. I'm just creating, you know, different flowers, well, abstract flowers really, using different colors, you know, trying it out on square canvas, trying it out on rectangle canvas, because you know sometimes the canvas does play a very important part in how these painting does turn out. I really do love working on the square canvas when I'm doing these particular blowouts, and I think it's just amazing. What do you guys have to say? I would really want to know what you think working on a square canvas, a rectangular canvas, round canvas, whatever it is, to create a particular design that you have in your mind. All right, do enjoy today's video guys, and if you're here this far, I have to mention that today's video is a part of our Tuesday night premiere train with me, Holly, Laurie, and Nate. Of course, I will be listing their channel name or their video's name in my description box below. So if you've missed their time of premiere on the premiere date, go ahead and, you know, rewatch their video if you've missed that. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you do like our content. You know, we're here every week to really share, you know, a part of our painting skills with you, so that we can, you know, encourage you guys to try. You know, you might see something that you like and stuff like that. So we're just different artists, you know, doing our own techniques. There is no person doing the same technique every week, so it's just fun. It's fun for you to come out and really hang with us, chat with us in the chat box if you're here on the night of the premiere. It's always fun, and I really do appreciate you guys, honestly. Like, every week I get a few amount of people, and from the bottom of my heart guys, I'm really happy that you're here, and I really do appreciate it. So I want to say thank you all so much, and yeah, do enjoy the video. I will see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result, so don't you go away. Thank you so much. here it is, the close-up of the wet result. Amazing, you guys. Honestly, like, you know what really amazed me about all these different flowers that I do, and I spin them the same way and all of that? You know what? They all speak differently. They're so different, and this is what makes abstract art amazing. You know, you cannot really duplicate it. I love it. I love everything about this piece. It's off-centered. I love even the center, how I drag the metallic champagne gold towards the center with that festive red. Amazing. I love it. I love it, guys. Honestly, I really do love this. I love the little peak of gold. I love how the gold, you know, it's just amazing. And here it is, dried. I did put some resin on it. You know, I just wanted to really make this piece pop. And it sure is amazing. What do you guys have to say about this one? Let me know in the comment section below. I know it's fiery. There's so much passion in here. It's just amazing. You know, red speaks so much about passion and love. All right, so I do hope this piece gets to inspire someone, and thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Nate should be coming on next, and I will see you guys next time on Camile Amoy Art. Bye.